In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur image in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any photo you bring into Inkscape and soften it with a clean, adjustable blur that looks great in layouts, mockups, or backgrounds. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Give it a moment to launch so the workspace is ready. With the program open, bring in the image you want to blur. Go up to the File menu and choose Import. A file browser will appear. Select your image and confirm. The image will be placed on your canvas ready to work with. Next, make sure the image is actually selected. Click it once using the Select tool, which you can quickly activate by pressing the S key. You'll know it's selected when you see resize handles around it. If you ever click off of it by accident, just click it again so the handles reappear. Now you're going to open the panel that controls the blur. Go to the Object menu at the top and choose Fill and Stroke. If you prefer shortcuts, press Shift plus Control plus F. This opens a panel, usually on the right side of your screen, that controls color, stroke, opacity, and the blur we need. Look toward the bottom of that Fill and Stroke panel. You'll see a control labeled Blur, typically accompanied by a percentage and a slider. That's the control we'll use to soften the image. It applies a vector-friendly blur directly to the selected object. To blur the image, click and drag the blur slider to the right. As you drag, watch the image on your canvas update in real time. Start small and build up gradually. Subtlety often looks more professional and keeps details legible where you still want them. Set your blur level to a percentage that fits your design. A gentle range like 5 to 20% is a great starting point. Around 5% softens edges without losing the subject completely. 10 to 15% works nicely for background images where you want text to stand out on top. Closer to 20% gives a dreamy, defocused look. There's no single correct value. What matters is how it looks in your layout. If you go too far, simply drag the slider back to the left until it feels right. That's it. You've opened Inkscape, imported your image, selected it, opened the Fill and Stroke panel, found the blur slider, and adjusted it to a clean, consistent result. Save your file when you're happy, and you're ready to use your newly blurred image in any design.